Gotta love when audio doesn't record with the video, so we're gonna do a voice overlay on here just to catch you up on what exactly the video's about. Most of you probably know I put a Grom unit in my Acura RLX Sport Hybrid. That was to add wireless CarPlay. This, not so much, but we are gonna update this a little bit, bring it into the 21st century, and add some Bluetooth streaming audio as well as hands-free calling. Believe it or not, the microphone does work pretty well actually when the top is down and you're cruising. So follow along here and we'll do an install video for the Grom BT3. So this is what it actually comes with. I added the USB cord here on the left, and we're gonna start by taking off the shift lever. Following that, we're gonna pop off the center console. Lift from the back, there's 6 clips. Give it a little tug here on either side, and then up it comes. There's 3 connectors underneath, soft top, if you have a non-CR, defroster, and the hazard lights. So to get the radio door out, you're going to open it and yank on the sides. Eventually it'll come out. There's 4 screws that hold in the stock radio or any radio. Pop it out, undo the connectors in the back. There is an antenna and CD changer as well as the main harness. Pretty straightforward. So the Grom unit is essentially going to splice in between the CD changer and the unit. Next, we're going to move over here to the passenger side footrest knee compartment area. There's 1 screw, 2 clips on the side, pull straight down. Clips are going to break, they're one-time use only. Make sure you buy extras. I'll put the part numbers below. Next, we're going to take off the passenger knee bolster here. As you can see, I put a USB outlet in there. The USB outlet actually connects directly to the Grom. Okay, so with the knee compartment off and the knee bolster over here removed, you can see that the cord is long enough to have the Grom recess just over here. And what this is going to do is it's going to allow access for this thing right there to actually fit back in here. So the trick is to get this as far over to the right as the cord will allow. And this is actually going to recess about like that. I have the microphone wire here, and this is the USB and 3.5 millimeter input that goes here. And it's essentially wrapped around. I have the USB and microphone connector here. And basically the cord runs back behind through here, and then the male to male female ends adapter, because both of the cords for the 3.5 millimeter are male. So it's a male coming from the Grom and it's a male coming from the USB outlet. So I have them here. The cords are just essentially wrapped around with zip ties to held behind the unit. And other than that, you know, we're going to, the hardest part on this is probably to drill. Get a shot here for you to drill into the back of this. A lot of people wedge this piece in between the raised plastic area, and I actually ground it down. It allowed me to get this a lot tighter attached to the actual outlet so that it's not going to move. And one of the nice things about this outlet is this ring around here to tighten the collar. It's actually metal, it's not plastic, so you can get a really tight connection for the outlet and it doesn't move, it's in there. This does have a USB light as well, so you can tell when it's connected, which certainly should be whenever the car's on. And then I have the rubber lid essentially on here, because when you have an S2000 and the top's down, you're going on drives, it can get pretty dusty and dirty in here. All right, now we're going to actually put everything back together. It's really straightforward. The trick to this is get the first latch lined up, and then we're going to pivot the back in There's that and that. And then we'll screw in the one screw right here. There we go. Close that guy. Cords essentially are just going to sit right here. There are clips here and on the other side. They are one-time use only clips. They will break. Go ahead and order a couple new ones from your Honda dealer, and then we'll put this baby back on. Get the clips in. One screw goes back. As I said, the unit splices in between the CD changer harness and the radio. Setting it up is super easy. Go to your Bluetooth, find the Grom car kit, hit pair. And go ahead and start up the car. So I ended up mounting my mic right there. Just with a dollop of silicone. Make it not permanent, and ran the wires behind here, and as you'll see, there will be a nice USB light right here showing you that it's illuminated, and there's the CD changer, so it's ready to roll. You got any questions? Leave them in the comments below.